Alright guys, welcome to another review. Today I am reviewing the Okapi knife, also known as a ratchet knife. Very, very nice knife, also known as the 3 star. It's characterized by the 3 stars, the sickle moon, the full moon, and another sickle moon there. As you can see, the ratchet over there, which locks the blade in place. All right. The the name Okapi actually taken from an animal, a giraffe type animal that's found in Central Africa, which is now extinct. Um, this knife was initially, or these knives were initially made in Germany, and then in 1988 a South African company actually took over the the purchasing or the trademark for these knives and started making these knives in South Africa. So initially it was made in Germany for the German colonies in Africa. The blade is a carbon blade. Um, Carbon blade, very sharp knife. Let me just open it here for you. So as you can see, it locks in place like that. When it is locked in place, the blade will not slip back. So let's go check the length of this blade. Just be careful, guys. These knives are deceivingly sharp, very sharp. The blade, I would say, is a 9.5 centimeter blade there. The thickness, let me see if I can get the thickness. That's about a 3 millimeter in thickness. All right. So quite a long blade, 9.5 centimeters, quite a long blade. Nice wooden handle. All right. Very sharp, guys. Very sharp. Also very light. Very light. I would estimate this to be about 20 grams. 20 grams, 15 to 20 grams. 20 grams the most. Very light. So it fits nice in the pocket. It's not heavy in your pocket. You can carry it everywhere. Great for fishing. Great for your EDC uses. You When you want to close the knife, you got to pull on this ring here. Let's see if I can do that without hurting myself. I don't know if I will be able to do it with one hand. Let's see. Okay, yes, I've got it there. So you have to pull on this ring here, which releases that ratchet there, and then the knife will be able to close. So the wood, they say it is a cherry wood, impregnated cherry wood, which means that it's not going to swell up over time due to humidity. So that's a good thing. This small one I've actually had on my keys before, and you can see quite a bit of wear and tear. The blade length on the small one, I would say 7 7 centimeters there. The thickness, you're looking at another 3 millimeters there in thickness as well. Um, yes, and same concept over there. Very, very nice knives. They are also well known in Jamaica and South Africa, and also very, very nice for fishing as well. I've seen a lot of fishermen use these knives as well. They do also come in the biltong, a biltong knife as well, and also they do also come in a saw, a okapi saw, folding knife. So instead of your straight blade, it comes with a saw blade, which is also quite nice. Yeah, so this is the okapi. Um, Hope you get yourself one. Cheers, guys. Bye.